أهلا وسهلا. أنا سونيا. Call me the world's number one of wearing pink glasses. I'm not having only one. No. I have a bunch of them, and I must confess, I'm an optimist. Laissez-moi vous montrer quelque chose. Suivez-moi.
Hi Sonja,
Hi there.
was ist dir im Leben wirklich wichtig?
First of all, it's very important to me that every animal, every human being has the right to be treated well. That's really important. The second is take every crisis as a chance. I'm a real optimist and maybe one of the world's greatest. And a good recipe for a good life is to be thankful for what you already have.
Okay. Und was noch?
To do what I love. I have a really big dream, and if you have a big dream, you have to do something about it. It's not enough only to talk about. Use all your gumptions and do what you have to do. Courage is always rewarded. And as Walt Disney once said, if you can dream it, you can do it.
Okay, vielen Dank.
Thank you for watching. Shukran Kitir. Masalama. Bye.